you are going to be making this super yummy coconut lime rice with everything. It is seriously going to be your new go-to side dish, hopefully. Let's rock it out. So in this pan I have my coconut oil that is nice and hot, and I'm adding in 2 cups of jasmine rice. I want to give this a nice stir to get it coated in that coconut oil. Hit it up with, I don't know, about 1/2 to 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt. Give that a nice stir. And wait for the chalk spots to start to appear. While that's cooking, I'm going to measure out my liquid. So you need a total of 4 cups of liquid. Here I have a 13.5 ounce can of Thai Kitchen organic coconut milk, and I'm just going to add the difference in water, and then I'm going to add an additional 2 cups of water into this rice. So I can smell this cooking, I can smell the coconut. Can you see how the rice is getting like white spots on it? Sorry if you can't see that on camera. Can you see what it looks like? It's probably been about 2 minutes, and I'm going to go ahead and add some lime zest into it. If you want it, you know, more citrusy, more lime flavor, you can always add more. And you can also hit it up with some juice at the end. That is totally up to you, but I'm just going to add this kind of from 1 lime here, and that's going to be perfect for me. Gorgeous. Let me give that a stir around. And I am ready to go ahead and add in some liquid. This is that 2 cups of liquid that we talked about. It's going to be 4 cups total because you double. So like if you have 2 cups of rice, you would do 4 cups of liquid. I have that coconut milk in here. I'm going to go ahead and stir this in, and then I'm going to add 2 additional cups of pure water. Oh my gosh, it smells so freaking amazing. It's dumb. This is my 2 additional cups of water going in, and it looks kind of cloudy because it had that coconut milk inside the measuring cup. Obviously you don't need to rinse it in between because it's all going to the same place, right? Give it a stir, and then don't touch it. Leave it here. I have this on 6.5 out of 10 on my stove. I'm gonna let this cook until it comes up to a simmer, and when the liquid is like almost down to the level of the rice, I'm gonna put a lid on it. Once you can see that your liquid is down to the level of your rice, you're gonna wanna turn the heat all the way down to low, put a lid on it, check on it in 5 minutes. If it's not done, give it another 5 and another 5 until your rice is nice and soft. You know this rice is absolutely delicious all by itself, but it also pairs really well with these recipes that I have right here for you. Make sure that you check out these links, and I will see you in the next video. Happy cooking, everyone!